Time now for our forecast. We're bringing in Chief Meteorologist Scott Padgett here. Scott, the very latest on this, and we've been talking about this all night. It's just sitting, and there's a lot of rain that we can expect.
Yeah, on top of all of the rain that we've already seen, and Harvey is just drifting its way around and will continue to do so. So what that means for us here in North Texas is our weather conditions will start to go down towards the end of next week, but we've been seeing some rain here in North Texas in our southeast counties as we've gone through the day today. Not a lot. You definitely saw the cloud cover around here and kept our temperatures cool, but let's take a look where Harvey's sitting right now. That center of circulation still is just drifting its way between San Antonio and Houston, still south of 10, is working its way very slowly, about 1 mile per hour. So as you take a look right now, still seeing those outer bands already pushing through Houston, continuing to push through Houston, the Galveston area, and that's where we're dealing with some severe weather. So as you take a look with this, as it's pushing its way on in, we're dealing with these bands that are rotating their way on through, causing some more tornado warnings, numerous tornado warnings through the day today, and on top of that, a large amount of rain. As I widen out the view, you can definitely see the scope of Harvey, some of those outer bands all the way through parts of Louisiana, and then when you take a look at this, pretty much a rough estimate is across, it's about 346 to 350 miles across, so these feeder bands will continue, and already seeing some of that in parts of Louisiana. We talked about the rain, the rainfall, and here's the radar estimated rainfall over the last 24 hours. Near Aransas Pass, about 11 inches, near Rockport, 7 inches. You can see also 5 inches just north of that, but well away from the center of circulation, near parts of Houston, seeing about 7 inches just to the northwest of that, 11 inches just to the northeast of LaGrange, 14 inches of rain over the last 24 hours, dealing with a large amount of rain that remains in the forecast, and you can see over a really wide area. That's what's going on for us over the last 24 hours. Continuing to see the rain, but we want to know exactly where is Harvey going. Let's bring in meteorologist Elise for more on Harvey's path.
That's right, Scott. Yeah, we've been following this track and all the updates through this past 24-hour period, especially as we're getting a better handle on what it looks to do, Harvey's path, as we move on into the next several days, and that's the problem, next several days. But notice that it has weakened a little bit. That's the wind, the maximum sustained winds, 50 miles an hour, so a mid-sized tropical storm at this point between Victoria and San Antonio. And another issue here, notice it's moving off northeast at only 1 mile per hour, so a very, very slow track, hardly going to be moving, and that's not just tonight, that's in the next couple of days. Look how little motion it makes as we move on into Sunday morning, moving off slowly to the south, those winds coming down just a bit, moving off Sunday night, still closer to Victoria, and it's actually going to return, it looks like, close to that area where it made landfall. Victoria, Rockport pushing back up eventually. Look at what we're noticing. It looks like this track by Tuesday, Wednesday into Thursday brings it a little more north, and that looks to give us more of an impact here in North Texas. So we'll need to watch this Thursday, Friday. Will this bring some heavy rain? It looks like we certainly have that possibility. Of course, the heaviest hugging closer to the coast. Additional rain on top of what they've already seen, up to 20 inches in Houston. So again, it looks like a lot of heavy rain there as we keep an eye on Harvey. Scott, of course, we're keeping an eye on what that's going to mean for us as far as the rain moving into the next few days.
And we can see the rain down towards our southeast already, Elise, and as we take a look with that rainfall, it is going to continue to start to pile up in some localized spots. So we're looking at the radar sweep, searching for any rain for us down near Fairfield, Palestine, some light rain through the day today. Rain chances tonight, 60 to 70% to 80 to 100% down to the south. Tomorrow, 30 to 40% chances. Further down towards the south, we have those rain chances sitting at 50 to 60%. So tomorrow, we're seeing temperatures sitting in the mid-80s, rain chances tapering off a bit in the afternoon, but the 7-day forecast shows we'll see temperatures in the mid-80s, a lot of cloud cover, but take a look towards the end of next week, 40 to 50, 60, 70% rain chances. As we round out the week, that flooding rain could work its way here into North Texas. We will continue to track Harvey as we go through the next few days.